Little disclaimer, watch until the end, or at least get into the middle of the video, because at the beginning it was kind of boring. Like, even the person who was in the video, is saying that. So if you want some real comedy, just go to the end or the middle, okay? Hi friends, so today I'm in a bit of a different setting because, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be baking. And what I'm going to be baking today are simple, soft, and chewy. My voice, though. Granola bars. So I preheated the oven to 350, and I'm gonna put 2.5 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats into the pan. Okay, small baking sheet. What? Hold up. Like I was saying, I'm gonna put 2.5 cups of rolled oats in here. Okay, I'm gonna put that in the oven for 5 minutes and hopefully it should be toasted. Okay. Fingers crossed. My face during this thing, though. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna take it out and just need to stir it. Okay, so after 5 minutes, you're supposed to take it out and stir it. Leave it in for another 3 to 5 minutes. Until it is lightly toasted. Okay, so the oatmeal is out. I'm just gonna leave this to the side. Go on to the next step, which is... I'm sorry about not talking loud enough because I didn't take into consideration how loud the AC would be, but pretty much what I'm doing is I'm combining butter, brown sugar, and honey into a saucepan and melting them, then putting them into the oatmeal. The AC will turn off soon, guys. Butter. A third of a cup of honey. You know, like a Okay, almost done. Does that look dissolved? I think so. Okay. Got to turn this off. And I'm just gonna leave this on a little bit longer. That is on. Gonna get on where the oats in. Melt it. Okay. Plan B. Let's see what we're gonna do. Now that's dissolved. Pour that in. I was supposed to put the oatmeal in before the mixture that I made, but it still works if I do that. Turn the heat off. I'm gonna put this in here. It's not hot. Okay, now we're gonna mix this together. And it's supposed to make kind of doughish thing. You could have picked anything, Kalechi, but dough? Really? Okay. I'm gonna let this cool and then I'm gonna come back and put the chocolate chips. Okay, now for the best part, chocolate chips. Oh. Oh no. That's pretty good. But anyway, they said to measure it, but who wants to measure chocolate chips? Should we just pour it in? Yeah. Oh, I put too much. That does not look like 1/4 cup. Okay. Try and mix that in without spilling anything. So many chocolate chips in here. I was supposed to put 1/4 of a cup, but that was definitely 1 cup. What does it say is next? Oh shoot, I forgot to line the pan. Oh no. That does not look good. Okay. Cooking oil. Okay, that does not look good, but you know what? It's fine. Let's put this into the pan. Okay. Just so you know, I did not use that spatula again for this cooking episode. Oh, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands. I need paper towels. So, press this in. It probably isn't the best idea. Oh, I should have sprayed cooking oil on my hands. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to lick them.
Trust me with this one. I did not lick my hands.
Not gross at all. Okay. This will taste like Quaker Oats when we're done, hopefully. Just better and meltier. I'm trying to make it look like with my hands. This is making such a mess. But that's the fun of cooking.
Yeah, right.
What do they say to do with this though? Press hard here. When I press hard, it gets my fingers dirty, miss. Yeah, let's not lick our fingers yet. Okay. So pretty much, oh gosh. I can't even carry this up. Can you see it? Is my stuff blocking it? Look at my soon no. Look at my soon to be granola bar. So cute. Oh. Oh, there's more chocolate in one place than the other. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands. Should I look?
Let me just say this one more time, sis. I did not lick my hands.
I'm gonna go do something with my hands, and then I'll put this in the refrigerator. It says for 2 hours. So that's what it said. 2 hours.
I ended up putting it in the freezer, but it still took 2 hours.
Yeah, for 2 hours, and then I'll come back and show you guys the result. Okay, so it's out. And this is how it looks. It's
Them fingers again.
some frozen because I actually put it in the freezer and then I took it out and put it in the fridge. So that should be good. It turned out pretty well. I'm actually proud of myself. I'll be right back. Okay. Sorry, that was the AC. Anyway, I need to get this off the foil so that I can cut it. Oh my gosh, the back looks so satisfying. So I don't know how I should cut it. I think I'm gonna cut it in like squares or something.
So first, I turn off the AC. Now my dad starts mowing the lawn. There is no winning with this sound.
Okay, and then cut it in half if I do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 bars. Let's cut it in little squares. I'm gonna taste it. This is better than Quaker Oats.
Good job, me.
Not really. Well, at least I know what I put in it.
What was that? Just somebody tell me what that was. That was cringy.
Gosh, this is so hard to cut. I probably should be like using something to make it straight. But it's fine. I probably shouldn't be eating it while I cut it. then there's gonna be nothing left. The knife that I'm using is like really sharp, but it's not cutting through. It's freaking ass. Bro, why am I so weak?
Hey guys, new sound of the day. Comment down below if you heard it.
It's the chocolate little chunks is blocking it. Imagine if I just like eat this whole thing. No one will ever know. Well, of course it's on video. My family doesn't watch this, so they will know. Whatever. Why am I just embarrassing myself? I'm putting this out on the internet, okay? We can't be messing around like this. No. Yeah, before I was trying to cut a little bit off for myself, and then I heard my mom coming up, so I'm like, nope. You're not gonna get in trouble today. Yay. I estimated well. So now, let me taste. Oh no! Ah! Okay. I have a piece to taste. My hands are dirty. It's chocolate. I have a piece to taste. I'm gonna rate it 1 out of 10. So let me see. Okay. So, I would definitely prefer this chewy. Cause like the oats. I don't know if I toasted them good. But I would give this an 8 out of 10. Cause, first of all, this was pretty good. This tastes pretty good. The only thing is the texture of it. Kind of weird. But you know what? It's good anyway. Wait, I'll be right back. Be right back. Welcome Joy, my little sister. Turn your head, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Taste it and rate it.
What does rate mean?
Like 1 out of 10.
I would go with 10.
10? Oh, you want it? Okay. So I guess it's just me. Like the crunchy texture of it. Thank you, Joy. Thank you, Joy. Well, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything I should do differently. And comment down below if you tried this recipe. I will have the recipe down below. So if you would like to try it, definitely tell me. Thanks for watching and bye!